bandits. The roads have never been this bad. If the Daggerfall Guard hadn't arrived when they did, I'd probably be dead right now.
That might be useful.
I'm a little busy. Red Rook bandits are holding hostages at a house down the lane. I always have a plan. These Red Rooks make use of trained wolves to guard their camp. Increases their confidence, I suppose. It also makes them careless. That's where my plan comes in. I need someone who can get in quietly, grab some wolf's woe, and take it to the hostages. With that plant, the hostages can walk out without attracting the attention of the wolves. The hostages are locked in a house, so you also need to find a key. We can help once you get those nobles out. My guards are itching to hunt down those brigands. Just be careful, and good luck. The wolf's woe grows all around here, so it should be easy to acquire. As for the key, grab a Red Rook uniform and look around. The disguise should fool the bandits, but watch out for the wolves. Otherwise, shake a few bandits until a key falls out. We can help once you get those nobles out. My guards are itching to hunt down those brigands. Just be careful, and good luck.
Damn bandits! The roads have never been...
This is a great area for harvesting. Come and take us! That should come in handy. I'll be just a step behind you. What do you think you'll make with that?
They broke my husband's arm and tied him up. Lady Noellame even lost her family heirloom. This is awful.
Another bandit in my house? Have at thee, I say! How was that, my dear? Did I sound fearsome? What a daring rescue! This is quite exciting. Another bandit in my house? Have at thee! What a daring rescue! This is quite exciting. Look, everyone, we have Wolf's Woe. This will be an adventure. Those ruffians came by boat. Ingenious, really. Slip in from the water, strike caravans on the road, then sail away. But the guards showed up and the bandits set traps on my estate. Clear those traps, or it'll be too dangerous for us to leave. I know. Take my hunting horn. It's upstairs. Then clear the traps and create a diversion. Set something on fire. That should keep the Red Rooks too busy to notice us. Sound the horn to signal us that it's safe. Meanwhile, I'll untie the others. I'll have you free in no time, my love.
Thank you, my sweet.
I'll be all right. I stepped in front of Lord Noellame to protect him. The Red Rooks didn't appreciate my loyalty.
Oh, thank goodness you've come. The bandits tossed us down here. They threatened to kill us.
They broke my husband's arm and tied him up.